Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add Control Panel into the Windows File Explorer interface so that way it'll have a modern look and you'll have your tabs up top with your address bar and other items, and that way you could open up additional tabs and use File Explorer normally and still have Control Panel inside of its own tab within File Explorer. All right, so as you probably know, Control Panel's been around, since the earlier days of Windows, and we still use it for a lot of things. Of course, when you click on some of them, it'll take you to the newer Windows 11 settings. But for example, I like to use the power options here because I think it's easier to use than the one that comes with the Windows Settings app. So many people still like to use the classic Control Panel. All right, so to do this, we're going to be using the free Windhawk app. So if you don't know what Windhawk is, it's a program you install and then you add what are known as mods into Windhawk, and then these mods are used to change the way Windows looks and operates. All right, so after you have it installed, you'll have your home section with any installed mods. Yours will probably be blank if you've never used it. And then you'll have some featured mods as well. And then you could go to the Explore section here, see some other suggested mods. You could search for them in the search box, filter them, sort them, and so on. All right, so the one we're going to be using is called Control Panel in Modern File Explorer. So once you find it here in the search box under Explore, click on Details, and then click on Install. And you'll always get this Proceed with Care window every time you install a mod. So you just click on Accept, Risk, and Install. And now when we go home here, it's within our installed mods. And so we could disable it if we just want to not use it temporarily, or we could remove it from here. And if we go to details, we could do the same thing, disable and remove. So this one doesn't have any settings. It's just an on or off type of thing. All right, so now that it's enabled, if we open Control Panel, you can see we have a File Explorer interface here. Then we could still navigate around it and so on. Obviously, you're not going to be able to do some of these options here like sorting and viewing because these are meant for files. But you still have the back and forward buttons here to refresh, and then you could open a new tab here, start working on your files. And when you need to come back to Control Panel, let's say we're working on our power, we could leave that open, go in our files here, then you always have this here. And of course, you can right click on it, close the tab, duplicate the tab, like that as well, just like any other File Explorer tab. All right, then if you don't want to use it, just come back to Windhawk, either disable it temporarily or remove it. So if we disable it, now it's back in the normal window. All right, so all you need to do is install Windhawk and go to the Explore section here, search for Control Panel in Modern File Explorer, install it. That's all there is to it. But on a side note for Windhawk, it needs to be running here in your system tray in order for your mods to work. So if you ever notice that your mods stop working, come here and see if it's running. And if it's not, just simply restart Windhawk and it should put it back. And then Windhawk should also be set to start with your computer so you don't have to start Windhawk every time you log on. All right, so I'll put a link in the description for Windhawk so you can download it and try it out for yourself. Then I'll also put a link for our other Windhawk videos we did because we have done a lot of videos on some of the best Windhawk mods out there. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.